All right, so the other day we were taking a little road trip in the old minivan, and the maintenance required light came on the dashboard. You can see it right there. Kind of scary, right? Well, we checked the manual in the glove box, and it said that this is a recommended alert for oil change. So apparently it was like every 5,000 miles or so. But the problem is I didn't need an oil change there. I actually there's synthetic oil that was put in there, and that was good for 7 to 10,000 miles according to the dealer that changed the oil. So what do you do to reset this light? When you turn on the little push button there with the ignition off, you push the button twice, you can see that the maintenance light is indeed on. So here is how I reset that maintenance light. I turned it on. You don't start the engine. Just hit that button twice, the power button twice, and we're going to toggle through here to where it says trip A. Okay, trip A. And then we're going to turn the button off. Okay, so the engine should be off, and this should be kind of like you're going to walk away from the van, right? Just turn it off and walk away, okay? So what we're going to do is hold this button right here, the trip odometer button. Okay, hold it, and then with my foot, you can see very fancy technique here because I've got one hand on the camera. I'm going to press that button twice, not the odometer button, but the ignition on button. You're not going to start the engine. Just press it twice and keep that trip odometer button held down with your left hand there. And you should see that it will actually reset the light. Just keep it held down until it actually resets. And then when you go to turn it on again or power your engine up, like this, you should see we have indeed no more warning lights.